Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling an annoying issue that can happen after updating Windows. For me, after a recent update, I started getting errors with basic features like the snipping tool and even opening images. I'd press Win plus Shift plus S to capture something, but nothing would happen, and opening an image file resulted in an error message. If you've run into a similar issue where built-in apps just stop working properly, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into how to fix it. Step 1. Check services are running. First of all, we need to make sure that all the essential services are up and running in the background. This includes services like Windows Update and BIOS, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, which are crucial for proper system functionality. Before jumping into system scans, apply these 4 commands to ensure the services are active. So, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type these commands one by one. netstart WUAUSERV, Windows Update Service. netstart bits, this service is responsible for downloading updates. netstart crypt SVC, this service helps with secure communication. netstart MSISERVER, this one handles software installations. These commands make sure everything is set up correctly, which will help things run smoother when we move on to the next steps. Step 2. Run the System File Checker SFC. Next, we're going to run the System File Checker. Open up Command Prompt again and type sfc/scan now. This will scan your system for any corrupted files and try to fix them automatically. It's a quick and easy way to repair any missing or damaged files that might be causing issues. Step 3. Run DISM to repair Windows. Image, if SFC doesn't completely solve the problem, we can move on to DISM. This tool checks for more serious issues with your Windows installation. Type the following in command prompt: DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. This will attempt to fix any deeper problems with your system. It usually works well, but if you get an error like 0x800F081F, it means DISM couldn't find the necessary files to fix your system. If that didn't work for you, you can also try applying these 2 additional commands. Now, the first one is used specifically for Microsoft's own photo viewer app, but the second one is more general. It basically re-registers all built-in Windows apps in the system registry. And just a heads up, while running these, you might see some red lines or error-looking messages in the terminal. Don't worry about those, just let the process finish, and once it's done, restart your PC. Hopefully, this step alone might already fix the issue for you. The commands are already given in the description below. You can simply copy them from there and paste them directly into PowerShell. Just make sure to run PowerShell as administrator, otherwise these commands won't execute properly. Once it's finished, simple type exit and press enter to close the PowerShell. Now restart your PC and try to launch again Windows apps such as Photo Viewer or Snipping Tool to see if the error still persists or not. But if you're still stuck after this, then it's time to go for the ISO repair method. Since I already had the Windows ISO downloaded on my PC, I simply mounted it, which means just right-click and select Mount. If you don't have Windows ISO, I will provide the link in the description. Make sure to choose same ISO that you have already installed, such as Windows 10 64-bit or 32-bit, or Windows 11 Pro or other editions such as Home. Anyways, after that, I used the mounted drive as the source for the DISM repair. In my case, the mounted drive was labeled as H drive. Instead of pointing it to a WIM file, I used the install.esd file that was inside the sources folder of the mounted ISO. In your case, also make sure that some Windows comes with install WIM file and some install.esp, so confirm it from mounted drive that we just did. This approach is way more reliable when online repair fails due to missing source files, especially when DISM shows that error 0x800F081F. Now, simply copy this command and paste in the command prompt. Make sure run the command prompt as an administrator. By the way, all these commands are mentioned in the description, so you can copy them and adjust if needed. Once the command completed, I restarted my PC and boom, everything was working again. Snipping Tool, Photo Viewer, and even the shortcut keys started functioning properly. And yeah, you can find all the commands mentioned in this video down in the description. You can simply copy and paste them into command prompt one by one. Lastly, I want to say, for me, first two method did the job, the SFC scan and DISM method, but these all methods are in detailed and helpful for you if you're facing any issues. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself and your family. Bye.